Here's how I mounted my GW1-C DASHCAM suction mount. First of all, I have to find a spot behind the rear view mirror, then drop the 5 volts USB power supply cable. Also, I have to secure the DASHCAM suction mount with a binding cord, so just in case it falls, I won't be distracted with my driving. Here's the detail of the suction mount installation. Okay, here's how I installed the USB cable. Here, I have to use a stopper so the USB cable won't pop out, as there is more than sufficient space for the cable. As you can see here, I use pieces of cardboard cut as shown. You can see that swinging the rear view mirror do not bump the dashcam. The concealed USB cable runs out, crosses the door frame, and is driven into the rubber molding. Be sure to push the cable all the way in, so it won't make an ugly bulge in the rubber molding. Now you have to run the cable all the way down and up to this point, where it goes out, and then run it under the dashboard frame below the glove compartment. Be sure to fasten the USB cable underneath the dashboard frame, then pull it out near the cigarette lighter, where it will be plugged in. Looks like the grocery bag hook provides some support for the cable. Okay folks, I think we're done. I believe that we have done a pretty neat installation. However, I consider the installation temporary unless my car maintenance specialist says it might be too expensive to strip the headboards, rubber molding, etc. to make the installation. I'm sure they're going to do a better job